Ladies and gentlemen, in this occasion, I would like to fly with parachute like this. As we know, we often hear many accidents of flight. Usually, many of people to be dead. I would like, in this occasion, a Boeing or DE can complete this flight passenger with parachute like this parachute. So if this flight trouble machine, this flight not directly fall, but if this flight with parachute, this flight can fall slowly, if this parachute, this flight trouble machine. Flight not directly fall in earth or fall in a sea, but the flight fall slowly with parachute. So a passenger in the flight not to be accident, not dead. I suggest to many factory, many company in the world, I hope can be complete the flight with parachute, because parachute very important to the flight. Parachute can be safety. Parachute can be a safety passenger in flight if the flight accident, the flight machine trouble, the flight fall. I hope my suggestion, my idea can be shown by DE or Boeing, and can be hear and show to many passengers, many love transportation air like flight. Thank you. I'm sorry, it's my English not fluently, but I hope this my idea can be applied to DE and Boeing or factory flight in the world. I hope not many people to be dead because the flight fall, the flight accident. Thank you. From Barnawan, Indonesia.